Kids Corner, where the fun is always here.
Hello kids! Today we will learn about farm animals. Let's start.
Sheep. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Horse. This is horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Cow. This is cow. C-O-W. Cow. Hen. This is hen. H-E-N. Hen. Goat. This is goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Donkey. This is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Rabbit. This is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Duck. This is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Dog. This is dog. D-O-G. Dog. Cat. This is cat. C-A-T. Cat.
Kids, let's repeat. Sheep, horse, cow, hen, goat, donkey, rabbit, duck, dog,
Cat.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment and share.